Okay, good evening, thank you. So today we shall be talking about HTS confirmation register and in Kenya EMR. So the first of all, I hope you have logged in. So the first thing after logging in, you'll come to this page. This is our facility dashboard. Then you go to home. Okay, at home we will head to reports. Then under the common reports, you'll go under the patient follow-up. We have HTS confirmation register. HTS confirmation register is when the client was reactive from the HTS, then the doctor or the nurse who is attending to her want to confirm before initiating into RT. So you will find all those people who have been registered into CCC from HTS. They should be on this register. So we click on the confirmation. Now we go to request report. Then you put the duration. Maybe you want for the current month or last month. So today we shall be looking for data for June 1st to end of June, that is 30th 2023. Then you go to request report. It will take a while preparing, depending on the data amount. For my report has been completed, so I like using the Excel format. So let me click on the Excel. It will download. My report is here. Let me download it. Now the report is ready. Let me open it. Okay, using Excel, it retains the format of the report, so it is easier to read the figures. So let me expand. Then enable editing. If you want to edit anything, now you will see it is just like the register, the normal register. It has the serial number, the date you will see. Then you see the client name, date of birth, age, then the sex, if it's the male or female. We have that data here. Now we want to navigate and see which details are being captured here. See, you can expand this one. This one, you see, it is not showing the numbers. You can come here and say, let us give it general. Some are showing numbers, some are not showing the numbers. Let us see. You can see convert them to numbers. So this one was given this number, or what you do. So maybe I will talk about how to correct this format later, but let us look at our various variables. You see our variables has been the strategy, see there. We have PHP, then we have the outreach, then the test that was done, it is there. and if the client was linked to care, we have the CCC number. This report, if you are fully on EMR, this is just the report you can look at and confirm that this client are the ones that are linked at your facility. Or if you are not fully EMR, you are still using the registers, this one can help you to write them down on the hard copy register. So this is the easiest one, you can do that. Then this age, you can also recheck those people. Maybe you have on your CCC TX new, you have less than this, you can counter check and verify using this register. Or if you have more, there's someone maybe missing. Thank you for now. This is the register. I will be taking you through another register. Thank you. Go at the YouTube and subscribe so that you may get another useful videos that I will post to teach you on the EMR. You can also comment on the comment section to request which video you require or any assistance that you require. Thank you for your time.